EasyBudget Budgeting App Review. This is the EasyBudget Budgeting App Review usage experience, and you'll find links to the app in the description below. EasyBudget is a simple, no-frills budgeting app designed for people who want a fast and easy way to track their money without unnecessary complexity. Unlike some advanced budgeting tools, EasyBudget focuses entirely on helping you manage your available balance, track expenses, and stick to a basic monthly budget. One of its key advantages is its clean, minimalist interface that makes it perfect for users who aren't interested in complicated charts, reports, or linking bank accounts. Instead, you manually enter your income and expenses, allowing full control without automatic syncing. This approach appeals to users who prefer privacy and a hands-on approach to tracking spending. The app works with a simple, balance-forward system, meaning every new transaction updates your remaining balance, so you always know exactly how much money you have left for the month. There's no learning curve, and you can start budgeting in minutes. It's ideal for students, young adults, or anyone who wants a basic digital replacement for a pen and paper budget. While EasyBudget lacks advanced features like goal tracking, bill reminders, or shared accounts, that's intentional. It's made for users who want pure expense tracking without the noise. You can create separate budgets for different accounts. So if you want to track personal spending, savings, or even cash envelopes separately, you have the flexibility to do that. The app supports basic expense categories, helping you group spending into different areas like groceries, dining, or transportation. However, there's no automatic expense categorization since everything is manual entry, which some users actually prefer for accuracy. Overall, EasyBudget is designed for budgeting beginners, people who want maximum control over their data, and users who value simplicity over advanced features. If you're looking for a straightforward, manual budgeting app that gives you a clear view of your spending and remaining balance at all times, EasyBudget delivers exactly that. It's a great fit if you want quick budgeting without unnecessary extras. Check the links in the description for more details.